Hi guys, good morning. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's another day here. It's nice and sunny today, guys. So we'll see what we can do after breakfast. All right, let's get up and get ready. Center. Unfortunately, we weren't able to see what we want to have for breakfast, so yeah, let's go somewhere else. Meanwhile, this is the view in front of the Quay Center, and that's the hotel where we're staying. So yeah, it's so close to everything, guys. And Sweet Blaze did a little bit of shopping, but she is hungry. So guys, as what I've said, we went to different places, and we went to this barbecue barn actually, and Chefette, and it looks like they're both closed, probably because of the time. They probably open, I don't know, a little bit later than expected. Anyhow, we just decided to come home and you know, make our own breakfast, right? Guys. Hi guys, so yeah, today we just haven't done much and half of the day is already gone. So yesterday I gave you a house tour, guys, you know, when we arrived here, but you know, we had a bit of an issue in that room. So with that said, they gave us an upgrade, and now I have to give you another house tour. So yeah, let's do it. That's the door, and we're gonna go this way, so we get to see the washroom on our right. There's a standing shower, right? And this is a double sink. Yeah, that would give you a hint, guys, about the upgrade that we got. On our right is Sweet Blaze. Hello. I didn't know you're already here.
What can I say?
What can you say?
Go, go, go.
Ah, they kicked you out. And the fridge is also bigger, guys, compared to the other room, right? And the rest are kind of similar to the other room. Dining / living room is that way. I'm gonna show you our view from here. And as you can see, of course, we have a balcony there, and the view is almost similar, guys, aside from the fact that we have more view of the beach, right? The lounge area, and then the beach. Here, let's take a closer look. It's the beach right there. On to the next area of this place is, of course, the bedroom. So this is a 1-bedroom suite. We got a junior yesterday, and now this one, which is 1-bedroom suite. There's another TV here, unlike with the other one that it has only one TV, and of course mirror right there. And I'm guessing this one is a closet and another safety box. Oh, that's it for our house tour, guys. Let's see what else we can do today. Finally, we decided to go out, hit the beach. So we got this from the rock clay and two of these towels. Let's cross the road. You want some vegetables for dinner? Okay guys, welcome to the boardwalk. Guys, we already walked probably for like 20 minutes. This boardwalk is nice. And we see this sign everywhere, guys, which is kind of alarming, right? Like, it worries me really to swim in the beach. I know there's a lot of like seaweeds and all that, and I understand it's because it's kind of like off season, right? If it's like before June to November, then I believe, you know, it's a bit calmer here, right? Seaweeds are not this much, but anyhow, nevertheless, the place is still beautiful. This is the end of the boardwalk. So we want to check out this Green Monkey Chocolatier. It says they are open today. So okay. Are you gonna try this? So guys, we are here. We found a spot to lounge. Two places there. And we got our cute bag of macarons, right? So that we can have a snack while relaxing in here. That's our view, guys. I know there's a lot of seaweeds. The beach a little bit rough. All right, let's see what you got. What flavors?
I hope we got the rum flavor.
Rum flavor. How many colors you have there? Like 4.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Mini pack. Oh, it says there, like it will tell you, I think, the flavor.
There's coffee, cotton candy, fudge brownie, red velvet, salted caramel.
Alright.
Okay, the birthday growth first.
It's not my birthday yet, but
Advanced birthday growth.
so I'll go for the orange one.
Isn't that bread?
Something, yeah. Let's try it. This is the red velvet for sure.
Coffee.
Ayun.
No, we're coming back.
Beside you,
that just walk in. So guys, we did a bit of swimming and now we are back in the hotel. As mentioned a while ago, it's upgraded. So yeah, all good. Nice and hot, guys. As you can see, there are people in the pool lounging, right? And some people that are relaxing there. Ready to party?
I'm ready to eat.
I'm ready to eat too. Guys, this is the view from the balcony. I think that's that's the Quayside Center right there where we were this morning looking for some souvenirs. Fish cake, guys.
9 o'clock or thereabouts.
I will love you, my baby, my daughter.
Alright, it's nothing like the mother's love. Yeah. Alright, we're moving along, guys, quickly. How you remind me?
Wow.
Thank you so much. All right, another platter of fish cakes. Fish cakes. Cheers. Cheers.
Alright, that's a sweet singer lady. Visiting us from Canada. Come on, sweet girl, think twice. You're gonna get think twice? That's all?
Thank you.
What can you say? Advance happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.